Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Febriana Dinda Nilasari and I want to tell you about my experience. 3 years ago, exactly 5 days before Eid Mubarak has come, our family planned to spend the vacation to Grandma's hometown in the Bendungan village, Malang, East Java. We left Semarang on June 9, 2018 and arrived at Grandma's hometown on June 10, 2018. The trip was quite long and tiring, but all of that was cured when I arrived at my grandma's hometown. The grandmother's family welcomed us very enthusiastically because it was the first time for me and my brother visited grandmother's village. There, we were introduced to Dad's brother, uncle, aunt, and also Dad's nephew. It was a pleasure to meet the relatives from the village. It was different from Semarang because the weather in this village still fresh. The first 3 days there, I picked up Grandma's family on one of the famous tourist attractions, Jantim Park 1, 2, and 3. There are all kinds of spacecraft there that go from extreme game, spooky game, and science to me like where dinosaurs come from. In the next day, we didn't go anywhere. We were only gathered in Grandma's house and cooked various kind of food for Eid Mubarak. Grandmother, uncle, aunt, and nieces were gathered in one place. It strengthened the relationship between us who didn't know each other before. Finally, the day of Eid Mubarak has come. We gathered in Grandma's house to forgive one another. We were enjoying the dishes together. After we finished eating, we visited neighbor and Dad's friend home. The second day of Eid Mubarak was a special day to visit our relatives' home. I was very excited because I could meet the relatives I have never met before. Time runs so fast. In the third day of Eid Mubarak, we started to prepare our stuff to go back to Semarang. We spent the third day of Eid Mubarak together with grandmother before we went back to Semarang in the next day. That's my story experience. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.